All right, I just tape topped and skimmed this room. I've got a video coming out that's going to show you, it's going to be kind of a long video because it's going to show you every aspect. I didn't want to break it up into a bunch of days, so I'm going to combine all the videos. But I wanted to get a video out there right away, and I wanted to talk about this because a man we were conversing on my YouTube channel, and he was sitting there saying, oh, it needs to be picture framed in with a full sheet up here. And yeah, if drywall lays out really well, do that. But whoever hung this did this in 8-foot sheets. So they used 1, 2, 3, 4 8-foot sheets, and then it just came in with a little piece here. So it was just a piece of scrap off of something. This isn't where I have a problem with things cracking. If you're having a problem with this cracking, you probably didn't pre-fill it. You probably didn't get Durabond in there to make that super strong. This is where I have a problem with this cracking, is here and here, because cutting this out weakens this drywall. And this is where I want to see it crack. I want to see it crack in this corner going this direction, because as things are expanding, contracting, and moving, if they're cracking at the seams, that's telling me I didn't do the seams properly. Whenever I see a seam pop and crack, chances are it wasn't done properly. It wasn't pre-filled. It had loose stuff in there. It wasn't chipped out. Something was up with the seam. This seam should actually be stronger than the drywall itself. It should be. But if it cracks here, that tells me that something has shifted, something has moved, and the drywall has cracked. So that's where I see my cracks. And if you look at one of my videos, I'll post it up on here. It talks about a secret trick in how I rip the tape to do a crack here like this. That's because the drywall gave away, because this is a weak spot. That happens to be a weak spot. Have a good day. Hey, if you really like this video, subscribe. And if you really, really like this video, share it with somebody else. You have a great day.